Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jeff, the Blind Explorer, and today we're going to dive into some fascinating facts about the star of our solar system, the Sun. In this video, you'll learn so
much about our life giver
in this vast solar system. Trust me, it's going to be mind-blowing. From its immense size to its incredible energy,
the Sun is truly a marvel.
Did you know that the Sun is so massive that it could fit over 1 million Earths inside it? That's hard to comprehend, right?
And speaking of size, its diameter reaches a whopping
4 million kilometers? Can you imagine the scale of that? But it's not only its size that makes the Sun remarkable. Its energy is truly astonishing. The Sun releases a mind-boggling amount of energy every second. In fact, it gives off more energy in 1 second than all the energy consumed by humanity in an entire year. Pretty remarkable, don't you think? This great ball of fire also affects our daily lives. It provides us with heat and light, enabling life as we know it. The Sun's rays warm our planet, allowing plants to grow and photosynthesis to occur. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. I promise you'll be blown away by the astonishing facts about our very own star. And hey, if you enjoy this content, please support me by liking and sharing this video. Your support means the world to me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Not only will you stay updated with all my future explorations, but you'll also be helping me grow this small YouTube channel. So thank you in advance for your support. Sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the Sun. Enjoy the video, guys! The Sun, a magnificent star, situated at the heart of our solar system, occupies a prominent place in our sky, providing us with the light necessary for life on Earth. When the Sun graces the heavens, it is daytime, immersing our surroundings in a warm and vibrant glow. On the other hand, when the Sun retreats beyond the horizon, night embraces the world, wrapping it in a cloak of darkness. As if its luminosity wasn't awe-inspiring enough, the Sun also emits a remarkable array of energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. This radiant energy comprises various components, including visible light, infrared energy in the form of heat, ultraviolet light, and even radio waves. Additionally, the Sun constantly releases a continuous stream of particles, which reaches our planet as the awe-inspiring solar wind. The unfathomable wellspring of this boundless energy lies within the core of our star, where hydrogen undergoes a magnificent reaction, transforming into helium and generating immense amounts of energy. This remarkable process fuels the Sun, providing it with the power to illuminate our solar system. The Sun, like numerous other stars scattered throughout our vast Milky Way galaxy, has been shining brightly for over 5 billion years, and it shows no signs of slowing down, with its radiant presence assured for eons to come. In terms of size, the Sun dwarfs our beloved Earth, towering a staggering 100 times larger in diameter. To put it into perspective, the Sun's mass weighs a mind-boggling 1.999 kilograms, which is a jaw-dropping 0 times more massive compared to our little blue planet. In fact, the Earth could effortlessly fit inside the Sun more than 1 million times over. So, as we admire the Sun's majestic presence, let us not forget its immense significance. As the life-giving star that illuminates our world, fuels our climate, and sustains life on Earth. Scientists believe that the Sun, our beloved star, originated from a colossal mass of dust and tiny ice particles approximately 567 billion years ago. Within the heart of this immense cloud, the force of gravity gradually accumulated the material, forming a compact ball. As this ball grew larger, the tremendous pressure trapped within initiated a remarkable fusion reaction. The release of energy from this reaction caused the ball to heat up and emit a brilliant shine, giving birth to the radiant Sun. The immense energy radiated by our young Sun exerted a powerful force, pushing away the remaining cloud. This expulsion resulted in the formation of our planets, as they coalesced from the remaining remnants of the cloud. Thus, the magnificent dance of The solar system commenced, with the sun reigning as the captivating centerpiece, and the planets taking their respective places, revolving around this luminous heavenly body. In essence, it was gravity's embrace that brought forth the magnificence of our sun. The fusion reaction within its core ignited a radiant blaze, warming our cosmic neighborhood and empowering the formation of planets from the remnants of the original cloud. Through this incredible journey, the sun has continued to illuminate our lives, fostering the conditions necessary for life to thrive on Earth. At the heart of the sun, something truly remarkable occurs. Hydrogen atoms, under intense temperature and pressure, collide and merge to create helium atoms. This incredible process is known as nuclear fusion. During fusion, only a tiny fraction of the hydrogen atoms is transformed, but the result is an enormous release of energy. The journey of this energy begins deep within the sun's core and makes its way to the surface, known as the photosphere. It is from here that the sun radiates its powerful energy into space. However, this journey is not a swift one. Due to the immense size of the sun, it can take thousands of years for the energy to reach the surface. The reason for this extensive duration is the path the energy must traverse. It passes from atom to atom, as if being relayed through a cosmic game of telephone. The sun's massive size demands a gradual transmission of this energy, resulting in its gradual ascent to the photosphere. Interestingly, the sun's energy isn't solely responsible for illuminating our days. It can also serve as a valuable source of power. The abundant energy emitted by the sun can be harnessed and converted for various purposes, providing a renewable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional sources of energy. In summary, at the core of the sun, hydrogen atoms undergo fusion to form helium atoms, generating an immense amount of energy. This energy then embarks on a lengthy journey from the core to the photosphere, taking thousands of years to reach its destination due to the vastness of the sun. This energy can also be utilized for practical purposes, making the sun a valuable source of sustainable energy. Have you ever wondered about the ever-changing nature of the sun? Well, since the sun is composed entirely of gas, its surface features come and go in a captivating dance. But fear not, with the help of a special solar telescope, we can catch a glimpse of these fascinating phenomena. When observing the sun through this remarkable telescope, we can notice dark areas known as sunspots. These spots are actually caused by the sun's magnetic field. They appear dark because the rest of the sun is incredibly bright, making them stand out. But there's more. Some space telescopes, including those orbiting the sun itself, have witnessed extraordinary events. They have captured massive arches of the sun's matter, suddenly extending from its surface. These magnificent structures are called solar prominences, and they come in various shapes and sizes. In fact, some of these solar prominences are so massive that they can easily accommodate our entire Earth within them. And believe it or not, a few of them even resemble the shape of hands. Imagine the awe-inspiring beauty of such cosmic wonders. But wait, there's one more spectacle to behold. Introducing solar flares, the dynamic and ever-changing bursts of energy from the sun. Just like sunspots and prominences, solar flares have their own rhythm. They appear and disappear in a cyclical nature, becoming rare, then numerous, and then rare again, all within an 11-year cycle. So next time you gaze up at the sky, remember the wondrous phenomena occurring on the surface of our magnificent sun, from the dark sunspots etched upon its fiery brilliance to the colossal arches of matter reaching into space. These celestial sights are truly a marvel to behold. And don't forget the mesmerizing dance of solar flares, reminding us of the sun's ever-changing nature. This is the surface of the sun. The light that the Earth receives from the sun is radiated from this layer. Below this layer, the sun is opaque, or not transparent to light. Welcome to the outermost layer of the sun, known as its surface. The light that reaches the Earth and illuminates our days is emitted from this very layer. It is this surface that allows the sun to share its radiant energy with our planet. However, as we venture deeper into the sun, below this surface a fascinating phenomenon unfolds. The layers beneath become opaque, which means they do not allow light to pass through. It is in these inner layers that the sun holds intriguing secrets, hidden from the naked eye. By understanding this important concept, we can grasp the significance of the sun's surface and its role in illuminating our world. It is through this layer that the sun generously illuminates our days, providing us with warmth, light, and energy that sustains life on Earth. Yet, as we explore the sun's vast depths, we discover that the layers beneath its surface become veiled, concealing their mysteries from our view. Though these parts of the sun are not transparent to light, they hold countless wonders, waiting to be unveiled. So next time you bask in the sun's gentle glow, remember that it is the surface of the sun that radiates the light we receive here on Earth. And let us marvel at the enigmatic layers that lie beneath, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of our brilliant celestial neighbor. Did you know that the atmosphere of the sun is made up of 5 layers? These layers include the chromosphere, the transition region, the corona, and the outer surface, called the photosphere. However, what's interesting is that the chromosphere, transition region, and corona are actually much hotter than the photosphere. Scientists believe that alpha waves may pass through to heat the corona. These waves are responsible for maintaining the high temperatures in these layers. But what about the coolest layer of the sun? Well, it's known as the minimum temperature zone, and it's located about 500 km above the photosphere. While the rest of the sun is scorching hot, this part actually has a relatively cool temperature of about 4100 K, and because of this cooler temperature, it allows simple molecules like carbon monoxide and water to form. Yes, you heard it right. The sun has carbon monoxide and water. But how do we know this? Well, scientists are able to detect these molecules on the sun using special instruments called spectroscopes. These instruments allow us to study the different wavelengths of light emitted by the sun and identify the presence of these molecules. So there you have it. The sun is not only made up of the photosphere, but also has layers like the chromosphere, transition region, and corona that are hotter than the outer surface. And in the coolest layer of the sun, simple molecules like carbon monoxide and water can actually form, which we can observe using spectroscopes. Isn't the sun fascinating? Have you ever wondered about the fate of our beloved sun? Well, according to astrophysicists, our sun is classified as a G-type main sequence star and is currently in the middle of its life. But what lies ahead for our shining star? In approximately 1 billion years, the sun's increased solar energy will start to cause significant changes. The Earth's atmosphere and oceans will gradually evaporate as a result, leaving our planet in a state of desolation. A few billion years later, scientists believe that the sun will undergo a remarkable transformation. It will expand and become a red giant star, dwarfing its current size by up to 250 times. Imagine a sun as massive as 1.4 AU, large enough to consume our very own Earth.
However, the future of our
precious planet remains a mystery. While the sun's stability is expected to last for the next 5 billion years, calculations indicate that the Earth might shift to a wider orbit. This phenomenon occurs because approximately 30% of the sun's mass will be lost in the form of a solar wind. Still, in the distant future, the Earth's fate is likely to be sealed as the sun continues to grow in size. As the sun evolves into a red giant, it will extend far beyond the orbits of Mercury, Venus, and potentially even Earth. But even before reaching this stage, our planet's ocean and atmosphere will have vanished into thin air. Once the sun reaches its maximum size, it will shed its outer layers, forming a beautiful planetary nebula. This breathtaking sight will mark the beginning of the sun's transformation into a white dwarf. Over the course of several 100 billion to even 1 trillion years, the sun will gradually fade away, becoming a black dwarf. This remarkable journey of transformation leaves us in awe of the vastness and complexity of the universe. So while the sun's destiny is awe-inspiring, it also serves as a reminder of the preciousness and fragility of our own planet. As we marvel at the wonders of space, let us cherish and protect the remarkable world we call home.